guys, welcome to my channel, The Magical Art with Ananya. So, today we'll learn how to draw a bird in simple steps. Wow, are you excited? Let's quickly start. So, first we'll draw a heart or a love sign, then let's quickly make the body of the bird. That is so simple. Oh, what is this? We are drawing a tail? Yes, and where is the bird sitting? The bird is sitting on a tree. So, let's quickly make the branch of the tree where the bird is sitting. Wow, that's beautiful. Now let's make some leaves. Let's add the beak of the bird, the eyes. Yay, our bird is complete, but we have to complete the tree quickly. So, have you thought what color you are going to do to the bird? And to learn more such content, you know what you need to do. You need to like, share, and subscribe my channel, The Magical Art with Ananya. You can even press the bell icon so that you will get latest update of all the videos I post. And so we have completed the tree. Now quickly think of a color. See, I've colored with this color. And do follow my page, The Magical Art with Ananya, for more such lovely content.